Do you know what a media kit is?
I don't know.
Well, I'm here today to tell you what a media kit is, because if you are a content creator and you want to make those dollar signs off of your social media, you're going to need a media kit. So in this video, I'm going to cover what a media kit is, what do you need to include in a media kit, and why you need a media kit to get brands' attention and money. Well, hi, what's up, beautiful people? It is Marina here, and I help women, business owners, and content creators make money on social media so that they can live their wildest dream and their most vivacious life. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. So let's first define what a media kit is. A media kit basically is your resume. It's as simple as that. So a media kit showcases to a brand your stats, your demographic, who you serve, who you are, your services, and all of that makes them decide if your media kit aligns with their marketing goals. So this, you have to keep that in mind when you're approaching brands. You have to think, are they going to think that I align with their brand and their goals and their aesthetic before sending out your media kit? So we know that media kits are a must if you want to become a professional content creator and make money on social media so that you can do whatever you want from anywhere in the world, right? So now, what should you include in a media kit? So first of all, your media kit needs to be branded. It needs to look like your feed in some way. It needs to represent your personality and who you are as a content creator. And remember, if you are promoting yourself as a content creator who makes great visually appealing content, your media kit needs to reflect that, because that is the first impression they're getting. The first page is your cover page. So that's where you're going to introduce yourself and you want to make it impactful. Remember what we talked about last week in my personal branding video, and if you haven't seen that video, you should go and watch it, because it's going to help you a lot with standing out from the crowd. Because think about it, these brands get so many media kits all the time. You want yours to stand out and to instantly showcase who you are and what you're about. If your media kit does not look anything like the work that you're creating, no one's gonna believe you. Makes sense, right? I know. Then the second page is gonna be basically your bio, who you are and what you're about, and your services. What can you offer this brand? Your third page is going to be your post, collabs, and brand partnerships that you've done in the past. If you don't have any past collabs or brand partnerships that you can add on that page, I would say start creating some free content with your own money. So either buy those products or products that you already have at home, just use those and start creating content around that so that you can put that on there to show as an example. You're gonna have a page all about what other people said about you. You wanna look like you're the most amazing person in the world, and you wanna look like you have a lot of influence, so you need to ask the brands that you've worked with in the past to send you testimonials. Page number 5 is gonna be all about your stats. That's where they really are going to dig deep and know who your audience is and if it aligns with their marketing goals. So you want to include all of your stats for all of your different platforms. Make sure that you're really showing your engagement, which is what they care about the most. And remember, if you are a small content creator just starting out, you really want to show that you do have a lot of engagement, because it really what sets you apart from everyone else. Another thing that sets you apart as a small content creator or a newbie is the quality of your work. So you're gonna take up one page and show off all your past work, all your content creation, all your product photography, all the things that you've done that are so impressive visually. So your last page is gonna be your end cover. Add your contact information, add some cute closing remarks for the person reading the media kit. That's it, guys. I hope that helped you kind of understand the importance of having a media kit and how it sets you apart from everyone else, and it makes brands take you seriously. So if you want to make that money, you need to work on that media kit, okay? And just so you know, I do offer that as a service right now. Hit the link down below and you're gonna find how I help content creators build their media kit. I offer branded layout services, I offer templates, and I offer that I do the whole thing for you to represent you in the best way possible so you can get that money. So if you enjoyed that video, hit the subscribe button like this video, share it with someone, and leave me a comment because it really does help me out. And then until next time, ciao for now. I got distracted. Where was I? Oh.